Alright guys, we got a 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 sedan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your ABS sensor. In doing this, you're probably going to clear your all-wheel drive indicator light that's coming up on your dash. This should help the problem. Alright, the next step is we're going to remove your brake caliper, because the sensor is actually right behind that. We don't have to take off the rotor, but we are going to take off the brake caliper. And there's two knuckles you want to loosen up. I'll go ahead and show you. So this bolt right here, I'm going to loosen that up. And there's actually another one right on the bottom. So 1 and 2, loosen those two knuckles, and that will take off your brake caliper. And to loosen the knuckle, we're going to use a size 14 metric. Because it's an Asian vehicle, we're going to use metric. And let's go ahead and loosen the bottom. Once you break it loose, you can most likely just use your fingers. Okay, got those two removed. Now you can go ahead and slide your caliper off. Just kind of wiggle it back and forth. Right there. So this piece can stay. I'm not taking this off, but just this part of the brake taking off. And you could just let it hang right here. Alright, now if you come behind here, you can see this cord here. This is your ABS wheel sensor. A nut here, 10 millimeter. So this is your ABS sensor. It's bolted in. You're gonna grab a 10 millimeter and you're gonna loosen this up. And then we could go ahead and pull out this ABS sensor and clean it. Okay, once you loosen it, you can take it off with your finger. There's that 10 millimeter. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab the sensor and you're going to wiggle it loose. Just wiggle, and that comes out just like that. So this is your ABS sensor. This is what collects dirt and debris. And you're going to take these off and you're going to clean it with brake cleaner, and then we're going to put it back in. And also it's recommended the hole that it came out of, you want to clean inside that hole as well and get all the metal shavings out of there and all the debris. Clean that hole, clean your sensor, and then from there we can go ahead and put it back in. So you could just get some brake cleaner from O'Reilly's. This is really good to use to clean those ABS sensors. Alright, we could go ahead. Once you clean this and clean the hole, we can go ahead and put this back in. It's to go in the same way that we pulled it out. So it goes in just like that, and go ahead and put this bolt back in here. Okay, and we're going to tighten that down, and then we are done. Now you're just going to repeat the same steps on all of the wheels, and that is how you clean your ABS wheel sensor. And just guys, keep in mind when you're doing the front, it's a lot easier because the ABS sensor is actually on the left side, so you only need to take the wheel off in order to reach it. So just keep that in mind. The front wheels are much easier. Alright guys, so I hope you learned something today. That is how you clean your ABS wheel sensors on a 2015 Hyundai Genesis. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like, share, and subscribe. Take care, and God bless. I'll see you guys in the next video.